me C3, and I'm going to be doing a video of
picking a 5-pin Euro cylinder lock. It's unbranded.
Now I'm just going to show you the key that actually works in it, and as you can see, all you have to do is turn it to go down, and just like this.
Yeah, so that's
but
the working
this time,
key.
I'm going to do it a bit harder, and I'm going to do it with these, not the keys, but I am going to use the key with it by pushing this into the edge, so make it easy for me to wobble it like this. So it does take a while. I did say to my dad, it's like the hatch from Return of the Jedi when Luke falls down to where the Rancor monster lives.
There you go. Picked open. Very nicely done. What a C3.
And you
Let's
can just turn it, like if you turn it this way, it would turn downwards. And
Yeah, so take your pick out.
Yep.
You spin it back round so it's locked up.
Oh, what's wrong? It won't go.
That's it. Spin it round.
Yep.
So you need to do like a full 360.
No, it's actually, it won't be able to move now.
No, you'd have to pick it again, but that's picked.
Yep.
Very nicely done.
Yeah, and just before we end this, yesterday I went to the Deep and I bought this, and it's supposed to be a lifelike turtle. And it is quite good. You can actually put it inside to make it like just like a giant rock. But I like to keep it out. And you know what? I have it in the bath with me. So it swims around with me in the bath, yeah. So, thanks for watching my little video. Happy picking, and please keep it legal. Bye!
Cheers guys, thanks for watching. And as What a C3 says, thanks for watching, happy picking, and always keep it legal.